1. Add mulch. Ring the base of the stem with mulch and keep the mulch off the trunk of the tree. Keep weeds down and trap water in the ground all at once. Replenish as needed to maintain a consistent cover. If using wood chips, avoid those from black walnut trees, which contains elements that could inhibit your pine tree's growth. Create a well in the soil around the trunk if the weather is hot and dry. It will help keep water near the tree. 2. Erect a sunscreen. Protect your seedling from too much direct sunlight. If the area isn't already adequately shaded, erect a sheet of plywood roughly 2 feet by 3 feet, 60 by 90 centimeters, between the seedling and the afternoon sun, when it's usually at its most intense. Paint or seal the wood first to prevent water damage. Other materials, like cheesecloth or some plastics, may reduce the amount of sunlight it receives, so use those if that's all you have. But since they won't block it entirely, opt for wood if possible. 3. Water as needed. Test the soil underneath your mulch for dryness. If the soil is dry enough to crumble apart in your hand, add water. If the soil already feels moist, the tree should be fine as is. Avoid overwatering, which could drown the roots. Exact water needs will vary depending on the type of pine tree, the amount of direct sun it receives, the time of year and climate, and other factors. Contact a local nursery for more precise advice for water needs in your region. 4. Shield from animals. If you have a lot of wildlife in your area, consider your seedlings at risk of being eaten or trampled. Favor physical barriers over repellents. Use chicken wire to fence in the area and/or fit a plastic tube over the exposed seedling. Alternatively, to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, simply install a plywood sunscreen around all sides. 5. Prune seasonally. Remove dead and/or lower branches in the fall or winter as the tree grows. Improve air circulation by getting rid of branches that appear dead or dying. Reduce the risk of disease by discarding any branches that touch the ground, where dead vegetation may collect and rot. Pine trees grow approximately 8 to 16 inches, 20 to 40 centimeters, each year.